Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, western Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, western Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, eastern Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Jolton to La Vernie, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gallatin, Lebanon, Nashville, Madison, Hendersonville, Smyrna, La Vernie, Mount Juliet, Goodlettsville, White House, Millersville, Greenbrier, Lakewood, Wichita, Cross Plains, Hermitage, Laurel Hill, Antioch, Melinda City, and Old Hickory. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 208 and 242. Interstate 65 between mile markers 82 and 118. Interstate 24 between mile markers 35 and 71. Interstate 840 between mile markers 59 and 76. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.